Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're going to find all of the sections in the bottom. Here you're going to find the Photos section, Memories, Library, and lastly, Search. So basically, guys, in order to remove Google Photos from your Gmail account, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find the Google account you're connected with. Here under it, you're going to find your backup status, account storage, the option to free up some space, review out of sync changes, your data in Google Photos, photo settings, and lastly, help and feedback. So basically, guys, in order to remove Google Photos from Gmail account, there is no way actually to do it, but there is a workaround that you can do in order to do that. So basically, guys, the reason why you can't uh, remove your Google Photos from your Gmail account is because you basically use the same Google account on your Gmail and on your Google Photos account. The only workaround that you can do is to delete all of the photos from your current Google account and add them to another or a new Google account. So basically, guys, go ahead and share them to the other Google account and then delete them from your current Google account. Then you're going to be able to separate your Gmail account from your photos. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.